Guys, I think I'm cooked. 2 boys in my grade found my channel, and they are probably going around telling about me to everyone. Like, I'm glad they found it, but I admit my channel is strange. And by the way, the kid I sit next to in class sneezed on me. 5 times yesterday.
Like I took a shower this morning. Did you have to do that?
No, you didn't. Your presence is not welcome here. He also started singing, Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer, do. So I said, Daisy, Daisy, get me away from this dude. Was that tough?
Subscribe for a cookie.